In today's video, I'm going to show you this depth trick every web designer should know. And after the end of this video, you know how to make a website just like what I did in just 40 minutes. So let's get right into it. I went on Pinterest and I found this image and it's really cool. So I used this one. Go ahead and ChatGPT and make it like 16 by 9 2K. It's cooler. I want to use some depth into it, so I just made it a PNG. It's not the same image, but it's fine. So I just made like a background for this one. It became this. And we download that and then we'll make a Figma for it. You can use Canva or anything you want, because like we just want it to screenshot it to Claude Code. Right now I'm using Figma. Okay, so we just paste it. Stretch it a little bit. Like so. This one too. Okay. So as you can see, right, there's like 2 layers of this. It's like pretty cool. So we can put text. I'll say deeper. This is Anton. And we can put it like right there. I think we can make it bigger, like what, 512? Something like that. That's cool. Then we can put it behind. Okay, I can't really read it. Maybe we should make it like a little bit bigger. Still not enough. What about 624? Okay, so that's a little bit better. Can't really read this because of the white stuff. Let's put him drop shadow into it. Okay. Wow, that looks pretty good. Just screenshot this. So I just want the Claude to know just like what I want to do. And the text is 624. 624. I also provide you how the hero section would look like. You can add the navigation bar and all the additional text to it. That's just how I want it. The font will be Anton 624. 2 of the pictures, one is the background, one is just the mount on the middle. So the text would be between that, so it creates this sort of depth effect. It's like really cool. And the text have some drop shadow. Okay, so for the contents of the website itself, you can just fill it up, generate it. Let's go ahead and give it to Claude and see what we'll get in return. And this is the result. I would say it's look good because like the font is quite small compared to the background. And this thing, it adds some parallax effect to it when I didn't ask. And it shows the background, which is not very ideal. And as you can see, like the bottom of this is kind of, it's not very cool. So I love the parallax effect. However, I think it kind of feels weird because it's not the same layer. So it's kind of like a mountain just floating around. So if you want to add some parallax, maybe just fix the level of the mountains to be like the same. So when whatever you do, it will not move from the background. And now let's see what we get after that. Okay, and this is what we got. It's pretty cool. I keep the parallax because it feels kind of dynamic. Like, yeah, I think maybe you should make it this not like as big as I did, because like it's gonna be better if it's just kind of in the way a little bit. But this is like just too much. I can't even see the second E here. So maybe this is like too exaggerated of the depth. Yeah, maybe you can make it like these guys. These guys make it like really good. So it's just like a little bit of noise, a little bit of interruption. And I think that would look better. But this one is not bad. I feel like it's pretty cool. With this parallax, really cool. The rest of the site, you can also add the rest of the site too. But like, yeah, I just want to focus on the hero for this video. Yeah, and if you want to make like the rest looks good, you can give it some reference of the side you think looks good, and then that's it. Like the hero is probably like the most important part when you're making a website. It's like that's what catch the attentions, right? So yeah, these are a really cool website that I can just made in like let's see how long it took us. 40 minutes to make. Quite a lot of time. Most of the time was just me waiting for Claude. So yeah, I don't really have to do much work at all. I just scroll on my phone while waiting. Yeah, you can make this in 40 minutes. It looks pretty cool, pretty insane. If you like this video, you can go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and please comment what you want me to do next. 'Cause, I'm kind of running out of idea. I don't really know what to do, and there's no one watching my videos. So whatever you want to watch, I'm gonna make it. So just please comment. All right, and I'll see you guys next time then. Peace.